Please raise your right hand and repeat after me our oath of office. I,
Elenio Buslon Datahan II,
of
Barangay Poblacion,
Pilar Bohol,
Philippines,
after having been elected to the position of, hereby solemnly swear
that
I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I will impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, Vice Mayor.
This time, our Vice